What's up guys, Alec here, and today I'm going to be talking about giveaways on Instagram and whether they're still worth it. So nearly 2 years ago now I did a video about Instagram giveaways and how they were really good to boost your growth on Instagram. Instagram has changed, the algorithm has changed, and my opinions about them have changed. So first of all, I'm going to show you a few quick results from a giveaway I recently did, and then I'm going to talk about the good and the bad from this giveaway. Okay, so now I'm on my account at Memeaboy. This is the giveaway, so it's a carousel post, and I took some pictures of the t-shirt that I was giving away, and it's a t-shirt which has got Lil Peep on it. If you don't know who he is, he's a SoundCloud rapper that passed away a few years ago. I'm a big fan of his, but here are a few pictures of the t-shirt in the giveaway. So I took some decent quality pictures to make people want to enter and win the t-shirt. Then in the caption, I did something quite quick because I was rather lazy with this giveaway. I put giveaway in capital at the start so people know it's a giveaway to grab people's attention. And then I put I'm giving away this t-shirt, so if you want to get it, here's how you enter. 1, must follow at Memeaboy, which is this account. And then 2, must tag 2 friends on this post. This is to get a wider reach and a bigger audience, and to entice more people to tag people on this giveaway to enter. After that, I just put, that's it, you can comment as many times as you want, giveaways worldwide, winner announced in 3 days. So as you can see, this post got 2,041 likes, which is pretty good for this account. And then I got 338 comments, which is really good for this account. So if I go to the post previous to that, you can see I only got 5 comments, 1,844 likes. The post previous to that is a video which got 1,214 likes and 18 comments. So as you can see, the engagement on this post is really good. So now, because this is a creator account, I'm going to go and have a look at the analytics graph. So if we take a look at the analytics graph, we can see that this post was posted on the Tuesday. Because the follower growth is a lot higher than normal, I got around about 125. Then on the Wednesday, the follower growth count is a lot higher than I'm used to on this account. And then on the Thursday, the follower count is like 160 followers in that one day. So we can see that those are the 3 days of that giveaway. Now, if you take a look straight away, the follower growth on Friday and Saturday drops instantly. And then if I go to a later screenshot of the analytics graph, we can see that the Thursday was the last day with a really high follower growth, and then the follower count has dropped drastically to the point where I'm only getting like 20 followers maximum a day. And this is what I want to talk about. I want to talk about the algorithm changes. Now, no one knows how the algorithm works, but after doing a fair amount of research, this is what I've deducted from it. So doing this giveaway, it gave me a really good short-term follower growth on Instagram. But a lot of the time, when you get high numbers on Instagram, Instagram will see that potentially as your new norm. So the following content, if it doesn't do as well, Instagram isn't going to favor that content. Instagram is going to think that that content isn't doing as well as your new norm, which is the really high numbers you got from the giveaway. Therefore, it's not going to push your future content as much. Now, this isn't always going to be the case, but I've noticed this with the last couple of giveaways that I've done, and giveaways just aren't what they used to be. I'm not getting the results that I used to get. Also, asking people to follow your account and tag people in the post for a giveaway is against Instagram's rules and regulations. They've got guidelines when it comes to this type of stuff, and it's a lot more strict to what you just saw on my post, so don't use that as an example. I was just making this video to kind of let you guys know that Instagram giveaways aren't what they used to be. And when you think about it, if you enter a giveaway on Instagram, you follow an account potentially that you wouldn't follow otherwise, just so you entered into this giveaway, and then the few days after that giveaway is over and you lost, you're not going to keep following that account, you're going to unfollow it. Instagram is also going to see this as a bad sign. If Instagram sees a lot of people unfollowing your account in a certain amount of time, they're going to be like, right, this account isn't doing that well, we're going to stop pushing it to the explore page, we're going to stop pushing it to all these potential new followers. So Instagram giveaways are pretty good for short-term results, but they aren't what they used to be for long-term results. However, if you've done a giveaway in the past and you've got really good results, I would love to hear about it in the comment section below. If not, send me a DM, I would love to see the results you got. I'm always interested in this type of stuff, so if you do, I really appreciate it. That being said, that is the video about Instagram giveaways. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace out.